Hello, Manatees family. Just a quick reminder that today is early release Wednesday. So dismissal is at 1:30. We will probably begin lining up 15 minutes at least prior to that. So, insider tip, if you've seen what dismissal looks like, you want to be the first in line or as close to the first as possible. All right, so quick recap of last night. I'll give you the Spark Notes if you missed it, but thank you so much to all who did come out and join us. It was great seeing everyone, and we had some great chats about our schedule, about dismissal, and about our curriculum and how second grade really is that last opportunity to learn to read. Once students are in third grade, they are expected to read to learn. So second grade starts off kind of slow and steady, and then the intensity builds up and we really start clicking along. And you will see that we're approaching that mark actually, since we are now in the third week of school. So everybody's got real math work that's coming home now, real math work, real math homework. Every night is homework. Every night there should be some reading and math homework. This is daily, and the expectation is that it is completed and returned the very next day. So look for that. And speaking of that, I have some homework helper videos that I am working on, and I made my first one today. Just give a little bit of time, that will be posted so that you can have reference to what we're doing in the classroom. I cannot promise there'll be a homework helper video every night, but on my YouTube channel you'll see that there are different playlists, and one of them is about mathematics, and I will make a new playlist that's called the Homework Helper, and it will show a little bit of tips and tricks and what we're doing in the classroom and how you can help at home facilitate that independence and that recall of learning. All right, so have a great afternoon, and I will see everybody tomorrow. And one more reminder, we do have the same special for the entire week. So this week is music, and that means the entire week we will have the exact same special. So on PE days, it will be PE for the full week. Wear sneakers every day that week. This week, it's music, and I will see you all tomorrow.